Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Jam0510 with another quick unboxing video. But before I start, thank all my viewers, my subscribers for your support. Really appreciate it. And if you're brand to my channel, if you like what I'm doing, if you guys can hit that subscribe button. And also really appreciate it if you guys can hit that thumbs up. So this is a package I've got, like a while ago. Just still catching up on unboxings. So let's crack this open. This one is coming from Nike, and I believe this shoe is actually sitting in a lot of places, so I can actually probably, return this and, get it for a discount, so if I wanted to. But let's see how they are right here. Let's see. Inside they just have the generic Nike Jordan receipt right there. You can see right here, these are the Air Jordan 13 Retro, size 10, suggested retail is $190. Colorway is black, altitude green. So these are the altitude 13s right here. And here they are. And based off the pictures, I thought they looked dope. And I didn't have the original, with the 3M upper. But here they are. Right here, you got a pretty much all, a black upper, with hits of that green at the bottom. You got the Jordan Jumpman logo right there. You got carbon fiber. There's like a little mark right there on my pair. You have your regular glue marks on it. This part is not suede. It's more of like kind of like a plasticky rubber feel to it. And then you got the hologram right there. Put the Jumpman right there, Jordan. And then in Roman numerals, you got the 13. Overall, I think it's a clean shoe. But since it is sitting in a lot of places, I can probably return this and get them for cheaper. So, right, YouTube, if you guys have any questions, hit me up, leave me a comment, or inbox me. You can also follow me on social media. I'll have all the links in the description. All right, YouTube. Peace out.